Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. In Sterling Heights, where harsh winters and intense summer storms are common, your roof, especially your shingles, takes a constant beating. Over time, shingles wear down, and ignoring their deterioration can lead to major and costly problems. So, how do you know when it's time to call a roofing professional for shingles repair? Here are the top signs to watch for. Curling, cracking, or missing shingles. One of the most obvious signs of trouble is visible damage to your shingles. If you notice shingles that are curling at the edges, cracking down the middle, or missing entirely, it's time to act. These issues often occur due to age, prolonged exposure to the sun, and severe weather, something Sterling Heights experiences frequently. Damaged or absent shingles leave your home vulnerable to water infiltration and mold growth. Granules in gutters or downspouts. As shingles age, the granules that help protect them from UV rays start to wear away. These granules often end up in your gutters or at the bottom of your downspouts. If you're seeing coarse, sand-like debris there, it's likely your shingles are deteriorating. This granule loss reduces your roof's ability to reflect heat and resist water, accelerating overall wear and tear. Leaks or water stains inside your home interior. Water damage is a red flag that your shingles may not be doing their job. Check your ceilings and walls for water stains, dark spots, or peeling paint, especially after heavy rain. In Sterling Heights, snowmelt and ice dams can exacerbate leaks if the shingles are compromised. Small leaks might seem manageable at first but can escalate quickly, affecting your insulation, drywall, and even your electrical systems. Visible sagging or roof drooping. If you notice any part of your roof sagging, it could point to long-term moisture damage beneath the shingles. This is a critical issue that requires immediate attention. Often, sagging is a result of saturated underlayment or rotting wood decking due to failed shingles. The longer you wait, the higher the risk of structural damage or even roof collapse, especially during Sterling Heights' snowy seasons. Moss, algae, or mold growth. Green or black patches on your roof may not just be an aesthetic problem. Moss, algae, and mold thrive in moist conditions and can signal that water is seeping beneath your shingles. Over time, this growth can lift shingles and cause further damage. In Michigan's humid spring and summer months, unchecked growth can spread quickly across your roofline. Your roof is over 20 years old. Even if your shingles look okay from the ground, age alone is a valid reason to inspect your roof. Most asphalt shingles have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. If your roof is within this age range, or older, it's a good idea to have a local roofing expert assess its condition. Sterling Heights' temperature swings and winter storms can speed up the aging process, making periodic inspections essential. Rising energy bills. Shingles don't just protect against moisture, they also play a role in your home's insulation. If your energy bills have been creeping up, especially in the winter or summer months, failing shingles could be to blame. They may no longer effectively shield your attic space from the elements, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Conclusion: don't wait until it's too late. If you notice any of these signs, it's best to act fast. What starts as a minor repair can quickly escalate into a full-blown roof replacement if left unchecked. A professional roofing inspection in Sterling Heights can help you catch issues early and save money in the long run. Your roof is one of your home's most important assets. Keep it in top shape by staying alert to the warning signs.